Do you want to learn a quick tip that will engage your listeners when opening a meeting? It's really simple, and it's all about intonation. I'm David Pope. Starting at the BBC, I've coached hundreds of professionals across Asia, from young executives to CEOs and lawyers to TEDx speakers. Through my 30 years of coaching, I've identified the most important skills that great speakers use. And now, I'm giving them to you in my unique online video course, Unlocking the Power of Your Voice. One of the skills I teach in this course is the proper use of intonation. But how does intonation impact your delivery? Listen to my use of intonation when I count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how the intonation rises on 1, 2, and 3, but falls on 4. We use the same sort of intonation when we make a list. I've just been to Mumbai, Beijing, Tokyo, and Seoul. The intonation rises on the first 3 cities on the list and falls on the last. List intonation is a great way to introduce the topics you're going to talk about. Listen to the intonation at the beginning of this presentation. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to summarize the survey results, discuss the major findings, and present recommendations for action. When the intonation falls on the last word, the audience knows it's the last topic that will be covered. So, remember to use list intonation next time you have to lead a meeting. It will help your listeners to follow your ideas and make you sound more engaging. For more information about this online video course and others, click on the link in the description or visit allvoicetalent.com, where you can sign up for a free 6-day mini course that will give you some tools to improve your voice right away. You can also learn more about me and my one-on-one coaching programs, workshops, and webinars. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all the voice tips I share here on my channel. I'm passionate about helping you wherever you are in your career to find a strong, confident, and authentic voice for work, for leadership, for life. To check out this course, click the link in the description. Let's get started. Use your best voice with All Voice Talent.